Hey, good morning everybody. It's Bill with Supreme Pressure Washing. We're at a job site this morning. We have a large shingle roof to do. So I'm gonna walk you around and show you what we got going on. Yeah, so we have a shingle roof, some dirt on it. It's a smaller side. I'll show you more when we get up top. Beautiful home. It's back here on the lake. That's where a lot of this algae comes from. But we got some plants that we need to watch for, and we'll move those underneath. And that's it.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing though.
Alright, so we're all done here. I'll take a walk around and I'll show you how it turned out. Yeah, it looks really nice. Okay, well, another satisfied customer. We will see you at the next job.